Hi guys, I am Yash Samida. Today we will be discussing all about the application process of FCAT, including dates, documents required, and application fee. Air Force Common Admission Test is a national level entrance exam conducted by the Indian Air Force. The exam is conducted for selecting officers in various branches such as Technical Branch, Ground Duty Branch, and Flying Branch. Candidates who are appearing for the examination need to apply for FCAT before the last date. They can follow the application process of FCAT provided in this video. The entire process of filling the application form is conducted in online mode only. Before starting filling the application form, you have to register yourself by clicking on the Register Now button. You have to fill in some basic information including full name, father's name, mother's name, email address and mobile number. You also have to choose a secret question along with its answer. You are advised to keep some of the details provided on the screen before starting filling the application form. Now coming to the documents that are required to fill the FCAT application form. You just have to upload the scanned copy of signature, photograph and thumb impression. Besides this, some of the details such as 10-12 mark sheet, email address and contact details are only required for registrations. You need not to upload the mark sheets of 10th and 12th on the application form. The application process of FCAT is divided into 4 main stages. You are advised to fill the application form carefully as a form containing incorrect or false information might be rejected. Let's understand the detailed application process of FCAT. The application form of FCAT is available on the official website of FCAT. You have to visit the official website of FCAT and click on the login button provided on the homepage of FCAT. You have to enter your email address and password to login. After login, you have to select the type of entry, FCAT and CC special entry for Flying Branch. Then you can read the instruction carefully and click on the checkbox to proceed to the next stage. Once done, you can click on the application form filling and start filling the application form. You have to enter your qualification details, course preference, communication details, personal information and other details in the application form. You have to choose the course preference by selecting Flying, Ground Duty Technical, Ground Duty Non-Technical options. Apart from this, you have to choose 5 cities for the exam as per your preference. Those who have graduation, post-graduation in engineering and equivalent technical qualification are required to appear for EKT. You have to choose whether you have passed or failed, appeared for AFSP or SSP interview. Besides this, you have to enter the batch number, place where you have appeared along with the number of days. You have to upload the scanned images of your photograph, signature and thumb impression on the application form. Male candidates have to upload left thumb impression while female candidates have to upload the right thumb impression. The size of scanned file should be between 10 KB and 50 KB and the images should be in JPEG or JPG format. Once done, you can click on the submit button. At last, you have to pay the application fee. The application fee for the FCAT exam is INR 250. You can pay the application fee via credit card, debit card or net banking. You will receive a confirmation regarding fee payment on the registered email ID and mobile number. You can edit the application form of FCAT after clicking on the application form correct link provided on the official website of FCAT. You have to enter your login details and then you can edit the details in the application form. At last, you can check all the details and submit the application form. That's all about the application process of FCAT. If you have any doubt regarding the application form of FCAT, you can ask your question on the College Dekho Q&A zone. The direct link for the Q&A zone is provided on the screen.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.